is power and code is light. This is Saket Creations! Not just projects, not just wires. We build the tools that fuel new fires. From syntax rules to compiler flow, designing languages from zero. We're dreaming bigger, breaking walls, creating systems, protocols. A brand new language taking form, scale rising, the future born. Build it, code it, make it come alive. Dream it, shape it, let your passion drive. From Arduino magic to great innovations, welcome my friends to Saket Creations. Keywords written, structure clean, turning logic into machine. Tokens parsed and errors traced, every function perfectly placed. Not just using what exists, we create the rules and twist the scripts. From hardware sparks to software foundations, we engineer